What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Check this video out. Today I am going to show you how me and my hubby cook rice and peas with Escovitch fish, Jamaican style. Check out the rice and peas and fish in the sun there.
It's William Jones in on the beat.
So let's dive right into it, guys. Okay, so I'll just clean up the fish and he season them with Maggi fish seasoning. Now we're gonna put the garlic in the pot, let it well hot, and then we're gonna fry the fish. That is red snapper. And we're also gonna do some pargi separately. So fry the tail first, and now we're gonna fry the heads. We cut them in two because they were like 1.5 pounds each. They were big. So we're frying them with the garlic inside. So those little black thing that you see in the pot is garlic. We'll let it well burn. While the fish is frying, then we put some coconut milk on the fire to let it cook. Then we're gonna cut up the seasoning, which is some tomato, bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, and yeah, but right now we're making the coconut milk boil while the fish is frying. Okay, so pimento seed, Maggi all-purpose, onion, bell pepper, scallion, thyme. So we're adding the tomato now. We'd already put the pimento seed in to cook with the coconut milk, as you can see. So we're letting the tomato cook for about 10 minutes before we add the rest of the seasoning in. So we put a carrot in there also, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna add a little cock soup in it. It bring up a nice little flavor in that pot. So now we're adding the fish head. So when you put the fish head in first, it get that that juice when you're eating the fish head. That's my favorite part on the fish. So you put the head in first and let them get the juice, the gravy go down in the head. Yeah, tuck them in there. Yep. Get the juice. Get the head down in the juice, the man. Yeah, man. When you eat that fish head there with the juice, bad. So if the gravy not enough to cover them when you put them in there, like we just make sure say the gravy, we take up the spoon with the gravy and just pour it on the fish. Now we're going to add the fish tail, and there you go. All right, so now we're going to cook some rice and peas. I love my rice very shelly and rich with coconut milk. So now I'm going to wash 3 cups of red peas. I'm going to put it in the pot with some water with 2 small pegs of garlic and 1/2 tablespoon of salt with some coconut milk and I'm going to let that cook. There you go. I'm going to put a half can of this coconut milk in now, and when it halfway cook, I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk in it. Okay, there you have it. So now it's halfway cooked. I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk in here. Cover it up and let it cook. Next, I'm going to prepare the seasonings that I'm going to use to season the rice and peas. Okay, so what I'm going to use is a piece of thyme, a hot Scotch bonnet pepper, some pimento seed, a half of onion, a half of bell pepper, and a little piece of butter. So that I season the rice with, and I let that cooked for maybe about 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes in, I wash my rice with some hot water to get off some of the starch. Okay. Just stirring up for the seasoning to cooked in. I don't know what's taking me so long. I want me a stir out of this apatya, so no sir, this a stir not stop. Okay, so now I'm going to wash the rice with some hot water to just get off some of the starch. A lot of people tell me, don't wash your rice with hot water. Yes, I do. I want to wash it with hot water because it just a lot of starch. I've been doing it for years and it never do me anything. So now I'm going to add the rice into the pot with the peas and then stir it for a couple of minutes. I just stir it to make sure everything got covered with the coconut milk and the peas, the seasoning, everything just covered, and just let it soak. And then I just cover it up and let it cook. I taste it to make sure it don't want any more salt, but that's just about it. I am going to leave it, cover it up, and let it cook. As soon as the water starts to dry down, I turn the stove on low and just leave it there and let it steam. As soon as it boiled up, I just turn down the stove and just let it soak. And that rice steam and come out so shelly. As you can see, when I put the rice in the pot, there's not a lot of water in the pot. So you just need it to get really hot, like kind of boiled up a little bit. I just turn on the stove and just let it take its own time and steam. Yeah, a lot of people always ask me how you get the rice so shelly, because I don't put a lot of water into it and you will get good result. There you go, nice and shelly. So that's how me and hubby cook rice and peas and brown stew or Escovitch fish on Sundays. He do the fish and me do the rice and peas. Love it also. With rice and peas go with almost anything. Brown stew chicken, ackee and saltfish. Depends on how we feel on a Sunday. But my favorite is this fish. I love when they cook fish. I enjoyed it. So guys, tell me if you like this video. Leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Catch you later. Bye.
Cut.